Let's learn how to integrate Discord with FlowBridge. First of all, we'll assume you've created a client company account. Now we're going to need to create a Voiceflow project. Click on the New Voiceflow Project button. Select the client company that it's associated with and give your Voiceflow project a name. Now go over to Voiceflow, go into the Settings cogwheel, and copy the project ID and paste it into the project ID field. Now we're going to need the API token. Copy the API token and paste it into the Voiceflow API token field. Now we've created the Voiceflow project, let's create the integration. Go over to create a new integration, select which company and which Voiceflow project it's associated with, click Next, and give your integration a name. I suggest adding the channel to the end of it, such as Discord. Now let's select Discord from the channel dropdown. Discord operates a little bit differently because we require a FlowBridge bridge application to be able to make it work. Over in the documentation, there are links to everything. First of all, we'll create a new developer application on Discord. Give it a name. And now once it's created, head over to the Copy Application ID button. Paste that into the application field. Now let's get over to the bot navigation menu. On here, you'll have to go down to Privileged Gateway Intents. Toggle on the 3 different intents. These are needed to make the FlowBridge application work properly. Now, click on Reset Token, and this is going to provide you a bot token. Copy that, and paste it into the Discord bot token field. Now let's create the application. Great. Everything's working on FlowBridge now. Now let's head back over to the documentation. There's a link to the FlowBridge Discord Bridge repository, which contains all the files for the FlowBridge Discord Bridge application. If you go over to the releases section, you'll see the necessary assets that you'll need to be able to make it run. You can also go over to the main repository, which includes all the code so you can change it to your specific needs. Let's download the specific files that we need. The FlowBridge Discord Bridge, the env example, the Docker file, and the Docker Compose file. They should all live within the same directory on your machine. In this case, we'll be running it through Docker, so we assume that you've installed Docker on your machine. Let's change the env file to just be .env. Within this file lives all the environment variables that you can set to make changes based on your specific needs. First of all, we're going to need to get the Discord token and put it into the environment file. Let's go over and copy the Discord token and paste it into the Discord token variable. Now, go back to your integration on FlowBridge, click the integration info button and copy the tenant URL. Replace the FlowBridge tenant URL variable with the tenant variable for your specific environment. Let's copy the integration ID and paste that into the integration ID field and the verification token and paste that in as well. You can also change the message channel type as well as message trigger type. Let's save the .env file and run docker compose up. This is going to let Docker know that it needs to generate the application and run it. There we go, we have the application running and it's now listening to all communications from Discord. Click on the link that's provided by the application. This is going to install your specific application into your server. Now your Discord bot is in your server. You can use the mentioning tag and say something like hello to trigger its messaging. In this example, we're showing you a couple of things such as buttons, images, and text formatting. It all works in different channels and multiple people can communicate with it. It's also supported to send direct messages to the bot itself. So if you send hello to the bot, it'll operate in the exact same way, but this time in a private communication channel with the user. And that's it. Now you can use Discord and Voiceflow through FlowBridge.